Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make steak and kidney pie. First, cube your beef and kidney into 1-inch pieces, then season them well with salt and pepper. Next, chop your onion and carrots. This initial preparation is crucial for building the rich flavors of your pie. Ensure all ingredients are measured and ready before you begin cooking. Now let's build that incredible filling. Brown your beef and kidney in a hot pan until nicely seared, then set aside. Next, sauté the chopped onions and carrots until they are tender. Stir in the flour to create a roux, then gradually add the beef broth, stirring constantly to avoid lumps. Return the meat to the pot, add your favorite herbs, and let it simmer gently. With your delicious filling cooled, it's time to assemble the pie. Line your pie dish with a sheet of puff pastry, ensuring there's enough overhang to seal the top. Carefully spoon the rich meat and kidney filling into the pastry. Then, place the second sheet of pastry over the top, trimming and crimping the edges to create a tight seal. Don't forget to make a small vent in the center. Finally, the moment of truth. Bake your steak and kidney pie in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 to 55 minutes, or until the pastry is beautifully golden brown and the filling is bubbling hot. Let it rest for 10 minutes before serving to allow the juices to settle. This hearty pie is perfect for a comforting meal. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.